Bael fruit, Eagle marmelos, also known as wood apple, is a nutrient-rich fruit widely used in Ayurveda for its digestive health benefits. In these videos, we will discuss the benefits of Bael fruit with a focus on the gut system based on traditional knowledge and available research. Following are the gut health benefits of Bael fruit. Bael relieves constipation. Bael fruit is high in dietary fiber, particularly pectin, which acts as a natural laxative. It helps regulate bowel movements, softens stool, and promotes regularity, making it effective for relieving constipation. Bael treats diarrhea and dysentery. Unripe Bael fruit is traditionally used to manage diarrhea and dysentery. Its astringent properties and bioactive compounds like tannins help reduce inflammation in the intestines and inhibit harmful bacteria such as Shigella that cause digestive infections. A 2009 study validated its use for diarrhea, showing that unripe Bael fruit extract can reduce symptoms, though it may not significantly decrease stool frequency in shigellosis. It supports healthy gut flora. The fiber in Bael fruit, especially pectin, acts as a prebiotic, promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. This supports a healthy gut microbiome, which is essential for digestion and overall gut health. It alleviates indigestion and bloating. Bael fruit contains enzymes that aid digestion, reducing symptoms like bloating, gas, and abdominal discomfort. Its deepen, appetizer, and pachan, digestive properties in Ayurveda, help improve metabolism and prevent indigestion. It helps in managing inflammatory bowel diseases. Bael fruit's anti-inflammatory compounds such as tannins, flavonoids, and coumarins may help reduce inflammation in the gut, potentially benefiting conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, Crohn's disease, or ulcerative colitis. Studies suggest unripe Bael fruit extract has protective effects against inflammatory bowel disease in animal models. Anti-ulcer properties Bael fruit helps protect the stomach lining from ulcers due to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It strengthens the intestinal mucous membrane, reducing irritation and promoting healing. Detoxifies the digestive system. Bael juice acts as a natural detoxifier, flushing out toxins from the digestive tract and supporting liver health, which indirectly aids gut function. Other general health benefits. While the focus is on gut health, Bael fruit offers additional benefits that complement its digestive effects. Boosts immunity, high in vitamin C and antioxidants, flavonoids, polyphenols. It strengthens the immune system, helping the body fight infections. Anti-inflammatory effects, reduces systemic inflammation, which can support gut health by lowering inflammation-related digestive issues. Blood sugar regulation may improve insulin sensitivity, beneficial for those managing diabetes, which can also impact gut health. Cooling effect helps cool the body, reducing heat-related digestive discomfort in summer. How to consume Bael for gut health. Bael juice, sharbat mix, ripe Bael pulp with water, jaggery or milk for a refreshing drink to aid digestion and relieve constipation. Bael murabba, a preserve made from Bael pulp, beneficial for constipation and indigestion. Unripe Bael pulp mixed with honey or sugar It's effective for diarrhea and dysentery. Ayurvedic formulations Bael is used in medicines like Vilvadi Lehyam or Dasamularishta for digestive issues. Dosage Ayurveda recommends 1 cup of Bael juice or 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of Bael powder twice daily, but consult an Ayurvedic practitioner for personalized dosing. Precautions and side effects. Excessive intake overconsumption may cause stomach upset or constipation due to its high tannin and carbohydrate content. Medication interactions. Bael may lower blood sugar or interfere with blood thinners, so consult a doctor if on diabetes or anticoagulant medications. Pregnancy breastfeeding, avoid Bael leaf extracts or excessive fruit intake without medical advice, as they may be harmful. Allergies rare, but monitor for adverse reactions. Consult a healthcare provider if symptoms occur. Nutritional profile per 100 g approximate. Calories 88 kcal, carbohydrates 32 g in, fiber 2.2 4.3 g, protein 1.8 g, fat 0.20 g. Vitamins rich in C, B1, B2 and A. Minerals calcium, potassium, iron, phosphorus. Bael fruit is a potent natural remedy for gut health, offering relief from constipation, diarrhea, indigestion, and inflammatory bowel conditions due to its fiber, pectin, and bioactive compounds like tannins and flavonoids. It's a versatile addition to the diet, especially in summer, but should be consumed in moderation to avoid side effects. For specific conditions or dosages, consult an Ayurvedic practitioner or healthcare provider. While Bael has traditional and some scientific backing, more human studies are needed to fully validate its benefits. Always seek professional advice for medical conditions.